Hello Haranistas, this is your video tutorial for the French lyrics of O Canada. I will try my best. I don't speak French, but I sing French and I learned pronunciation. So here is almost word for word or syllable per syllable. Okay? Don't be intimidated. It's just a bunch of different words or different sounds. So it's up to you to really hear and listen and hear the sound and then copy it. Okay? So first line is car ton bras c'est porter le pays. Okay? So but let me break it down. Car. The R in French is not R. It's not a rolled car. Okay? It's car. It's up on your ngala. Carton. Right? Carton. But it doesn't have to be a hard R. Carton bras. Okay? Bras. No S. C'est. The word S-A-I-T is c'est. No T, c'est. Alright? C'est. Not C, it's c'est. And then porter. There's that R again, the R. It's at the back of your tongue. It's like, it's an itchy ngala. Right? Porter. Right? No R, not porter, that's English, it's porter. And then, l'épée. This is the most tricky word or sound. L'épée. Okay? L'épée. Okay? And then, now the letter E with a accent is, it's not E, but it's not E. It's in the middle of E and E. It's E. E ano ngayon? Parang ganon. E ano ngayon? Hindi siya E, hindi siya E, but it's E. Okay? It's in the middle. If you want to practice or find that sound, try saying E. So from E on top and then at the bottom is E.